New dimensions of center and state relations. Here it means that new dimension. Dimension means it is an aspect or the features of a situation where the central government and state government's relation takes place. The Constitution of India aspired India as a union of states, that is, India as a unification of the states. The union and the state obtain or derive their authority from the Constitution. Thus, it emphasizes or it gives importance the supremacy of the Constitution. So let's see what are the powers mentioned in the Constitution towards center and state relations. They are legislative power and residuary power. So the legislative power of the union and the state governments are mentioned in Article 245 to 255, and it is divided into three lists: the union list, the state list, and the concurrent list. So let's begin with union list. It contains 100 subjects like defense, external affairs, currency and coinage, atomic energy, science and technology, customs, on which the central government has the supreme law-making powers. Remember students, what are the power included in union list? Next, shall we move to the state list? The state list. It consists of 63 subjects like police, health, agriculture, local self-government, road transportation, etc. These all we have seen in the state. In particular, the police of the Kerala is different from the police of Karnataka or Andhra Pradesh. So, on these subjects, the state government have law-making powers. And the third one is the concurrent list. It comprises 52 subjects like marriage and divorce, civil procedure and criminal laws, preventive detention. So here preventive detention means it is an imprisonment of a person with the aim of preventing them from committing further offences. We have seen some example. This police used to arrest some of the people who is a threat to our nation. That is what known as a preventive detention. Next, trust and trustees, education, etc. On these subjects, both the union and state can legislate. In case of any disputes or disagreement, so the will of the union government will prevail. It means if the state is agree, so the right goes to the union government to take certain decision. So, in legislative power, it includes union list, state list and concurrent list. Now we are moving to the residuary power. Those powers which is not mentioned in the above three lists are called residuary powers. These powers are given to the union government. Our constitution has made the union government more powerful. Though states have their separate jurisdiction and territory, they have no right to cede from the Indian Union. Parliament has supreme jurisdiction over the items found in union and concurrent list. So here important is the Parliament has the supreme jurisdiction over the items found in union and concurrent lists. As far as the state list is concerned, Rajya Sabha can legislate or Rajya Sabha can pass law on any subject found in the state list in the national interest, where only if the Council of the States make a resolution or make the decision to that effect, that takes for a period of 1 year normally. So these are the method of distribution of powers as found in our constitution.